Today, we're in Villa Verdi, a gorgeous 6-bedroom home on a plot of 2,500 square meters. This is a home that ticks all the boxes. And what's best, it's in one of Marbella's top neighborhoods, Sierra Blanca. Let's check it out. We're on the upper level, and right now we're inside of the prime bedroom. So this prime bedroom, as you can see, you have a large terrace with sea views behind me, and we have 2 more bedrooms on this level, 1 bedroom with sea views and uninterrupted views to La Concha, and then another bedroom with its own private terrace. We're on the lower level right now, and as you can see, this lower level has an outstanding amount of light. Look at the size of these windows, and check out this for a bar. Apart from that, this level also has another 2 bedrooms with insanely high ceilings. I mean, I've seen very few villas in Marbella with such high ceilings.